This is Anthony with AA Sewer Inspection here at 236 Southwest Edgefield Court, and this is a triplex, and we're here in the courtyard going into a 4-inch ABS cleanout. Okay, here's a junction or possible riser at 9 feet, and we'll locate this on the way back. Here at 19 feet is another junction, and it looks like it's probably that one right over there. We'll locate this on our way back too. Okay, here's another riser, possibly test riser at 73 feet. Locate this on the way back. So it looks like we got root intrusion at this fitting here. We'll locate this on the way back.
How we doing?
73 feet. There's some root intrusion here at this fitting. Just thought you'd want to see it. I'll locate this on our way back. I think we're out in the street.
Gotcha.
So that may... And this hose bib's leaking, so I'm going to turn this off as quick as I can. That's a long one. Ooh. Okay. So here we are at 119 feet, and it looks like a root ball, and it's looks like a complete obstruction. See that? The water must be going underneath it somewhere, either some damage or a break, but this is as far as we're going to get, 119 feet. So I'm going to go ahead and locate this, and I'll locate the junctions and confirm the other units through toilet flush, otherwise suggested repair. So we'll stop our video here.